let me remove this. What it do, what it does. My name is Richelle, aka Negroella, and welcome to, or back to my channel. Okay, I know I look a little bit Raggedy Ann right now. I have no makeup on. I'm wearing an old t-shirt. Everything's just a little bit rough, but there's a reason. This reason being because I'm going to be doing a tutorial today. Yeah. Not like one of those, like not like my first video that I called the get ready with me. This is going to be actually a tutorial. The parts are going to be sped up. It might be voice-overed or stopped every time I change something. So I have 3 palettes that I'm going to be dipping into because they all have kind of black but different depths of black. So some are blue black, some are like sparkly and kind of gray. So I'm going to be using the Morphe 39A palette, artistry palette, because it has this black right down here. It's kind of blurred, but the black in this palette. I'm also going to be going into the Magic Mini by the Juvia's Place and going into Yajide, which is more of like a dark kind of midnight blue color. Going in there to kind of give it more depth and dimension, and then going into the Festival palette by Juvia's Place and going into here, going into Kelly right here. It's not focusing, but going into Kelly because it's more of like a granite color, so it's black but like sparkly, so it's gonna come off kind of gray. Yeah, I would recommend using a black liner if you have a black pencil liner. If you have to map out your shape first, but I don't have that. So what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be using this little small concealer brush from Vanity Planet. I'm going to be using this small brush from Vanity Planet, and I'm going to be mapping out in the 39A black the way that I want my wing to look. That's it. Focused. Sorry, I was out of focus. Okay, thank you. You're This is actually turning out surprisingly well. Clean it up with a M213 brush if you need to. Oh, this is low-key kind of cute. I'm actually kind of chic, not gonna lie. I'm gonna use the Morphe E36 and I'm gonna go into the Festival by Juvia's Place and get the granite color. Get this granite color and then blend out the corner. Ooh, boom, baby. What the fuck? This looks good, love. Period, poo. I can't get the tape off my eye. Oh, got it. Oh. Called Uli under my eyebrows from the Festival palette. Put it under my eyebrow. And I blended it out. I'm going to do my foundation and just my base makeup, and then I'll come back to do the rest of my eyes and my lip. I look ashiana. I promise you I'm not this ashy in person. Wow, okay. Nah, it's my softbox light. She's making me look ashy, baby. Ooh. And I have a doodle ton of bronzer on. There's no reason why my face should be this white. I'm back. I did my foundation, so I used a combination of 3 foundations because none of them match me, so I just mixed them all together and it still doesn't match. So, but if y'all would like me to do a foundation routine, let me know. For concealer, I use Milk Makeup Flex Concealer in the color Tan, and for a brighter effect, I use the LA Girl Pro Concealer in the color Fawn because she's Caucasian. 2 powders, so I use the Laura Mercier powder in translucent medium deep all around my face just to set my face, and then I use the Sacha Buttercup setting powder in Banana. I think this is Banana, but this one, I think they only have one color though. I use this under my eyes just to brighten my eyes. That's why I look ashy. Like, it doesn't look, it's not ashy in person. And then I use my beauty blender. I use my beauty blender to blend it all out. And then I use for concealer, and Jesus Christ, I use for bronzer because I don't know how to contour my face. I only bronze. The Fenty Beauty Sunstalker Instant Warmth Bronzer in Mocha Mami, the darkest color. I think it's the darkest color. It was the darkest color when I bought it. And I use the Morphe M80 brush to blend it out. So now I'm gonna get into highlight. I like using the Fenty Beauty How Many Carats Diamond Balm highlight, and I just use my finger. Don't mind the planet that's growing on my face right now. And then after putting on my cheeks, I put only on the tip of my nose. I don't do like the line going up. I don't like it. I just do it on the ball of my nose. And then on my cupid's bow, and it looks like I just did a line of Coke. Or I haven't lotioned my lips in days. And then from there, I put blush on, and I'm stupid because I usually put blush on before I put on my highlight, but I forgot about it, but it's fine. I use this blush brush from Vanity Planet, and I use the Saharan Blush Volume 2 palette. It has like a lot of pretty neutral colors, so I use that. And I use this brown and this kind of I don't know what to call it. It's kind of like mauve-y. So I use Yara and B, and I blend those. I mix those together, and then I use that as my blush. Oh, I'm gonna do under my eye and finish it. Now I'm gonna do my lips. I only have one lip combo, so if y'all are expecting multiple lip combos, I don't have that. I only wear one lip everywhere all the time. So I'm going to be applying Unveil in the Stunna lip paint, Fenty, and I'm going to line my lips. Now I'm going to use Ginger Snap in the Butter Gloss from NYX. Also, before y'all do makeup, exfoliate your lips. Don't be gross like me and not exfoliate your lips. Okay, so that is all for this makeup look. I hope you like this kind of, I don't know what to call it, wing, crease thing. I don't know, but I hope you liked it. If you'd like to see more videos like this, don't forget to like the video and comment below what you'd like to see me do next. If you like the video, don't forget to like the video, comment, and subscribe. Thank you so much for tuning in, and I hope to see you again.